I'm Yvonne from Essence Systemology. And one of the really great things I love to do about being an aromatherapist is to be able to make bespoke products for my clients that come in. So I'm going to talk you through how to make a moisturizing cream. This is for one of my clients to help with anxiety, to lift the mood, for feelings of overwhelm, and she's also experiencing and going through grief at the moment. So what I'm doing is just putting a hand cream together. She can use it as a body cream as well. Nice and nurturing, and also when you rub it onto your hands, of course, you get to have that smell of it as well, and the aroma really lifts you up. So I'm going to put that together for you now, and I thought I'd show you the video of how I'm going to create that. So I'm just going to adjust the camera here, just slide it across here so you can see my aromatherapy oils. So I've already started off with the creams here, with essential oils. So I've already added into here, I've put in 10 drops of rose essential oil. And I've combined that with 12 geranium essential oil, so lovely. And then on top of that, I'm going to be putting 18 lavender essential oil as well. Lavender acts a bit like a synergy, and it's going to combine them all together. And then to make the moisturiser even richer, I'm going to also add in some carrier seed oil. So I've got jojoba oil, which is an amazing oil for the skin. It's very hydrating. It really it's very silky on the skin, very nourishing. And then one of my all-time favorites, camellia seed oil. So I'm going to put that in there as well. Camellia seed oil is really good for the nourishment of the fingernails and for the cuticles too. So it makes it a really good addition to a hand cream. So I'll just pop that back here. So from here, it's quite simple. So I've added my jojoba already. I'm just going to take, so I've done the camellia. I'm going to do, the jojoba oil here. So I've just got my little measurer. So I've counted out my essential oils, just drop those in. Then I've got my jojoba oil, and that's going in here. I've got the 2 in there now, so all together. And then I've got my little stirrer. What you're going to do, mix those together. Lovely. Mix it all up. And then, of course, most importantly, we have to have a little smell. Oh, that's really nice. Ooh. Okay, so all I have to do now is apply it with the cream. So this is good. So I've got my pot ready here. So I've got my 100ml pot, and then I've got a lovely base cream that I like to use here. So I've got base cream from a company called Aromantic. So all I'm going to do is just pop my cream into here. So all I have to do, this one. So I'm going to fill it up, because I know that this pot holds 120. So I'm just going to pop this in here. Halfway through, what I like to do is add in my essential oil blend. So I'm going to add that into the pot. Pop that in there. Lovely, really nice in there. So just stick all that in there. And then at this point, I'm going to give it a really good stir, because I find if you put it all the way to the top, it makes it quite difficult to stir. And to ensure that those essential oils are all combined properly. So nice. Stir it all up. You can see it all going in there. Woo-hoo, lovely, beautiful colour. It's got like this gorgeous white creamy colour. So it glides onto the skin beautifully, this one does. And then what I want to do is just top that up. So I'm going to carry on adding the cream until it's at the top. Give it a little pat down. Perfect. A little bit of noise. Put it together. God, love making products. Put these together. Give it a nice little mix. You've got to really make sure that everything's combined beautifully in there. Great. So all done. All we've got left to do is pop on the lid. Give it a little shake. Definitely. There you go, one cream. So I've made a hand moisturizing cream. Pretty simple to make. If you're trying to make them for your clients, you just need a little bit of inspiration. But the aroma in this makes such a change to somebody that is, experiencing those feelings of being overwhelmed or of grief, those type of things. So what we've got in here, so as before, I've got the rose essential oil. So there's 10 drops of that. We've got the rose geranium. So I've got 12 drops of rose geranium. Don't have your geranium too high because it tends to overtake the scent. And then I've got the lavender, 18 drops of that to bring it all together. So I had 100 mils of the cream, 100 grams of the cream. So I wanted to keep it at a 2%. So 2% is going to take me to a maximum of 50 drops. So I've just lowered it a little bit and added my 5 ml of jojoba oil and my 5 ml of camellia seed oil, making a really nourishing hand cream. Thanks for watching.